Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install MySQL and MySQL Workbench. In the previous tutorial, we have downloaded MySQL and MySQL Workbench installer from mysql.com. Now, these are the files, the MSI installers, which we have downloaded in previous tutorial. First, we will install MySQL. For that, select MySQL, right click on that and click on install. It will open up this dialog box. Click on next. Here, this is the software license. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Now there are three types of installation you can do. One is typical, which is the most common features. Second is custom, where you can select from the given set of features. And third is complete. Now MySQL is a very compact database system, so we'll install the complete version. Then click on install. It will install MySQL server on your computer. It will ask you that do you want to allow the following program to install software on this computer? Press yes. The MySQL setup is finished. So make sure you check this launch the MySQL instance configuration wizard and press finish. It will open up MySQL server instance configuration wizard, which is the configuration for our MySQL database. Click on next. Select detailed configuration if you want to configure your database as per your needs, and select standard configuration if you want to configure your MySQL server as standard. We will select standard configurations, select next. It will ask us to select the service name, which we will leave as it is. Then it will ask for the password. In the password section, I recommend you to give a strong password and check this button, enable root access from remote machines. Click next and then execute. It will execute all these steps. After the installation is done successfully, it shows up this dialog box. Click on finish. This will finish up our installation and configuration of MySQL. Now let's install MySQL Workbench. For that, open up the installer that we have downloaded. There are simple steps to install MySQL Workbench. Click on next. Let the path to be default. Click next. Select the complete. Next and click on install. This will take some time and it will ask for the administrative rights. So press yes. And after the software being installed, we will see a nice graphical user interface for operating our MySQL database. The setup is completed and check this launch MySQL Workbench now. Click on finish. This is our MySQL Workbench and we will be exploring this environment in our next tutorial. Thank you.